Hi all, just a quick note on dosage, reps, and progression. Throughout the videos, I throw out various numbers here and there, and I just want to be clear about how to progress and dose these things. So first of all, you can make this workout as long or as short as you want. The most efficient way to do it is to pick 3 exercises. So I usually like to pick arms, legs, and a core. And then plan on doing 3 sets of each. So you're going to go through a circuit. So how many reps do you do? Reps are to form failure. So the goal is to get anywhere between 3 to 20-ish reps depending upon what exercise you're doing. So for example, 3 reps would be if you move to a new progression or if you're adding weight for the first time. You'd do 20 plus reps if you had been doing, say, a leg exercise using about the same amount of weight for the last 3 to 4 weeks. So an example of how I might do this workout is, let's say I'd choose pull-ups for arms, lunges for legs, and then I'd do planks for core. So I would start, I'd set my whole space up, I'd start and I would do 3 pull-ups. The first 2 would be perfect. The last one I would have form failure on that third. You know, maybe I wouldn't make it to the top of the bar, maybe I'd be arching my back a lot. I'm done with that one. Then I immediately move on and I start my lunges. So let's say I have 2 10-pound weights on in my hands while I'm doing my lunges. I start going around in my circle, and all of a sudden it starts, after I hit about 20 plus, it starts to get pretty difficult, and I say, oh, I wasn't able to go down all the way, or my knee started to go over my toe. Put the weights down and I'd immediately move on to planks. So I would hold those planks for as long as I could. Once I get to holding them for a minute, I'm ready to make it more challenging. So let's say if I can hold for 30 seconds in my plank and then my back starts to sag, or I start to stick my bottom up in the air, I say, okay, I'm done with that, and then I immediately go over to my pull-ups again. And I'm going to do those 3 pull-ups with a form failure on the third, lunges, planks, and I do a total of 3 sets of each of those. After I've done that workout about once a week for a few weeks, twice a week for a few weeks, and all of a sudden I'm not failing on that third pull-up anymore, I can start doing 4 pull-ups. If I'm not failing on that 20th lunge, then I'm going to add more weight to that. And if I can do 30 seconds of planks without an issue, then I'm going to start adding more time. So maybe I do a 30-second hold in front, then a 30-second hold on the side, then a 30-second hold on the other side. So that's kind of an idea of how you can progress some of these exercises. And then lastly, you can also make the workout as long or as short as you want. If you only have 20 minutes, maybe you're just going to pick 3 exercises and do 3 sets of each of those. If you have 60 minutes, maybe you're going to do 6 exercises, or even 9 if you're really cranking through this. So I like doing 3 at a time because it makes sure that I keep moving and I don't forget where I am, and it doesn't give me too much time to rest in between. If I set up more than that, then I forget where I'm at, and it can be a little bit more difficult. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.